Yun, start na tayo ng ating ride for today. Day 13 ng ating 100-day challenge. This 100-day challenge is becoming more and more challenging for me. Maaga naman ako nagising ngayon. Pagising ako ng mga 4 o'clock. Pero hirap na hirap akong bumangon sa kama. Hindi ko alam dahil pagod or what. Tsaka medyo late din naman kasi ako nakatulog. Mga past 11 na rin ako nakatulog. Well, anyway, kailangan lang talagang paglabanan yung ano. Kumbaga, salamat na rin sa 100-day challenge natin at napupush tayong bumangon kahit na ano yung nakakatamad. Kasi nakakatamad lang naman dyan yung mag-prepare eh. Yung mag-prepare ng ano, mag-gumayak, mag-ano, alam mo yun, yung... Pero once na nagbabike ka na, hindi mo na maiisipin na, uy, nakakatamad magbike. Hindi, once na nakasakay ka na ng bike, hindi na siya nakakatamad. Yun. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kasama ko dapat si Madam, may ganun din siya, tinamad din. Hindi naman tinamad, meron pala siyang ano, maagang ano, meeting. Yun. Weather today is a bit humid at saka medyo parang medyo cloudy siya. Ano, medyo ma-humid ng konti today kung hindi compare nung last few days na nagbabike tayo, medyo sakto ang panahon. Ngayon medyo humid, parang mahamog na naman. Ayan. So, eto na naman dahil sa yung ano mo, yung maling I felt like na ang start natin mali or hindi maganda yung start natin ngayong morning kasi yung hindi ka ano decided sa pagbabike. So hanggang ngayon hindi pa ako decided if what I will do. I will do a short ride or I will do the usual, yung goal natin na 40-kilometer ride. So pero sige, 40-kilometer ride, let's go. Yun, pasok na tayo dito sa ating usual spot. We'll just take this nice and easy. Tayo muna nating mag-loosen up yung ating mga muscle at ano, para dito malamig yung hangin dito. Hindi natin to masyadong pupukpukin. Ano lang, a longer pahinga ride lang. Yun lang. Sarap din nung nung panahon kahit pa paano. Ganun pa rin, mahangin pa din. Yung hangin niya parang may malamig, may mainit. Ayun. Let's go. Ayun, so far naka 10 kilometers na tayo. Good thing hindi pa naman kataasan ng araw. It's 6:39. Siyempre, shoutout pa rin tayo. Shoutout sa mga subscribers natin dyan. Maraming salamat po sa support. And sa mga bagong subscribers po, welcome po. Sana po ay nag-e-enjoy kayo dito or may nakakapulutan kayong aral. Siyempre, yung mga suki natin, sila Mr. and Mrs. Tatuyani Adventures, si Antonio at si Ma'am Mary, RJ Candelaria, Happy Pedal, Fort Cliff, Coach Paul, Tara Na't Lumipad, Biker Disciple, si Remski, si Romski, si Moy, and All Alone, Boyong Guevara, Bimerchi, at sa inyong kay Ma'am Rochelle Cycling Life, at sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat po sa support. May nag-comment sa atin. So kanina pa yun, no? May nag-comment na kumbaga may pino-point out siya na road bike daw is too light for weight loss. Mag-MTB daw. I need to do MTB with big knobs. I don't know what it means, yung big knobs. Yeah, it's a valid point. Kaya lang kasi ang weight loss naman is not about it's not all about physical activity. Your proper diet has a big part in it. Kumbaga, without the proper diet, hindi ka rin talaga mag-lose weight. So, doesn't matter kung ano man yung physical activity mo, mountain biking, road biking, jogging, walking, may help yan, makakatulong yan na para hindi yung para lang malakas yung pangangatawan natin. Kasi if you're in a calorie deficit, syempre you need to build muscle as well, hindi puro weight loss. Ayun. So, but he has a valid point na baka nga mas mabigat ang mountain bike, it's good for weight loss. But for me, I used to have mountain bike, but I felt like it's too heavy for me. Parang at that time parang I'm too weak to do mountain biking. So kaya nag-shift tayo to road biking. To sa road bike. And road bike medyo mas feel natin ng road bike, mas nag-enjoy ako as part of my physical activity itong pagro-road bike. I don't know, I can understand, no explanation. I'm just enjoying it. Tapos yun lang yung natin about that comment na tama naman, may valid naman yung point niya. But again, it's not about it. Weight loss goes hand in hand with physical activity and a proper diet. Follow a proper diet, then do your physical activity, then weight loss equals to weight loss. Yon. Tapos kanina, di ba, sabi ko medyo this challenge is becoming too challenging for me. Kumaga, nahihirapan na ako because yun na nga, kasi nga the mind keeps saying mahirap. So from now on, we will not going to use the term mahirap, difficult, struggle, or we will avoid using it. Kasi tumatatak siya sa isip natin eh. We need to have a strong mind. Because I don't know kung tama tong saying na what the mind can achieve, the body will follow. So mostly naman the challenges like this, or yung mga physical challenges, mostly more than 50% is mental. Maybe 80-70% is mental. Then of course you need to have the physicality to do the challenge. So hindi lang puro mental. So yun nga, strong mind, it's really necessary. For you to have a strong mind, of course you need to have a good sleep, you need to have a proper diet, Yan. Pero yun nga kailangan mo lang talagang yung, kasi ang, let's say yung laziness naman yung katamaran naman, wala naman sa katawan yan nasa utak lang yan it's all in the mind. Ako pa naman, I'm the type of person na mind over matter. hindi ako halimbawa pag may mga sakit-sakit ganyan, I don't usually take medicine. Talagang lang, power of the mind lang. Siyempre depende sa karamdaman, pero usually talaga I'm a mind over matter person. Yun lang ang masishare natin. So let's go. Ayun, so far naman maganda pa naman yung panahon. Kahit maaraw, maganda yung hangin, malamig yung hangin, ma-presko yung hangin. So far nakaka 26 kilometers na tayo. So going to our, papasok na tayo dito sa may pang 30 kilometer na ikot. So 3 ikot pa to to 40. So kahit gusto ko nang mag-stop ng 30, pupush natin sa 40 kasi andito na rin naman tayo push lang, push. Yun, let's go. Ayun, finally nairaos na ulit natin ang ating 40 kilometer ride. Day 30 done. Pauwi na tayo. Surprisingly, this is easier than yesterday. Kahit pa hirap na hirap ako sa pagbangon, siguro kasi because of the the mindset, yung tama yung mindset ko na hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na ang hirap, I will do 20 or 30 of this. No, from the beginning I'll say we will do our minimum ride, which is 40. That's what we're going to do, and it's not a rest day, so we are not going to do a rest ride. Yan, although nung 30 pa lang, pag nakikita ko yung exitan na to, yung in-exitan ko na yun, 30 pa lang, exit na kaya ako, naka 30 na naman ako, bawi na lang bukas. Di sa 30 pa, exit na kaya ako, 35 na naman, 5 kilometers na lang naman. So yan, you just need to kasi talagang the mind is very strong. Kumbaga kung ang napunta sa negative yung mind mo talagang kung di mo na paglabanan yung mga negative thoughts mo talagang kakainin ka yan So one thing then for have a strong mind, kumbaga I don't know, I'm not feeling ko lang for me nakakatulong na masaya tayo, na yung masaya in general, na you're happy to be alive, you're happy to be riding, you're happy to have a bike, you're happy to have a camera. Yun, simple things that make you happy. Nung kanina masaya ako dahil maaraw, masarap na sikat ng araw. Ngayon hindi na masyadong masaya kasi medyo mainit na yung araw. Pero yun just find something, even small things that make us happy. Yun lang yun yung mga simple things na kagaya ng ang saya-saya, mayroon tayong binabay ka na maganda rito sa Abu Dhabi. Ang saya-saya, pag uwi natin makakainom tayo ng masarap na malamig na tubig na may electrolytes. Yung ganun ba, just be happy in general. I-avoid nyo na yung mga negative thoughts. Sabi nga ni Peter Pan think of happy thoughts para lumipad tayo. Yun. I'm just happy. Kasi earlier yung pagbangon ko, I was so down kasi nga pagod na pagod, ganito, ganyan, ang hirap, magbabike na naman. Then I thought about the challenge. Then I thought about mind over matter and this and that. So kaya napaglabanan naman natin. But there come the time na talagang
mag-give in tayo sa weak mind eh. Sa ating weak mind eh, yung mga negative thoughts, mga ganyan. So, well, anyway, just be happy for us to have a strong mind. Let's go! So ito, dito malapit na tayo sa bahay. Home sweet home na tayo. Thank you Lord for the safe ride. Salamat po sa mga subscriber natin nakarating or nakaabot hanggang dito. Maraming salamat po sa support nyo. Talagang I can't stress it enough na I'm really grateful. Ayan, day 13 done, 40 kilometer done. So see you on day 14, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow might be a longer ride. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan tayo bukas. Yun, hanggang dito na lang. So if you find this entertaining, interesting and helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Let's go, ride safe to everyone. See you.